everyone, Amanda here from scrimpingmommy.co.uk, and today is hashtag simple stamping, so thanks for joining me. And today I'm going to do quite easy, just basic stamping but using different colours, and I'm using the Bloom by Bloom set. Now I am cheating and adding a sentiment from another set. Simple stamping should really only be one stamp set, but Bloom by Bloom doesn't have any sentiments, it's all image based. So I am nicking one from Beauty Abounds, and it says our friendship isn't one thing, and then you would stamp it's a million little things. Okay, so just leave that to one side and that to one side. I'm using soft sea foam, which is a really lovely soft green. It's hard to describe, it's not mint, it's just lovely. And then obviously just Whisper White. So this is, you know, 11 3/4 by 4 1/8, scored in the middle at 5 7/8. And then I've got 2 layers to go inside, and these do measure, and I can never remember, 3 7/8 by, yeah, I can never remember that measurement. 5 5/8. I don't know why I struggle with that measurement. So I'm just going to, first of all, adhere my inside layer. And to be a little bit more frugal with your snail, you can just do top and bottom. You don't have to do all 4 sides. It will hold nicely. Like so. Okay. That'll hold perfectly fine, and you can even do the same with your front. With your card front, you don't have to put snail on all 4 sides, and then your snail will last you longer. Right, I learned that like today. You know when you see them adverts, how old were you when you realised this? I was today old. I was like 10 minutes ago old when I realised I didn't have to put snail all the way around my card. But there you go. So first of all, I'm going to stamp my sentiment. Now I'm doing it straight onto my card. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make sure that that stamp is on my block straight. I'm not 100% convinced it is, so let me have another go and put it on my grid paper and see if I'm stamping straight. I don't think that is straight. Let me have another go. I do want it to be straight, so I will practice on a piece of scrap. If I was cutting it out and, you know, and putting it on a separate sentiment and mounting it, it wouldn't matter because I could cut around it. But I'm going straight to card base here. So, add that on there. And then I'm just going to go for the top right hand corner. And hopefully that is right. If it's not, I will literally just flip the card over and do it again. There we go. That's stamped lovely. So I can bob that away for now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Bloom by Bloom, and I'm just going to do some random stamping with some of these little flowers. And there's no right or wrong way of doing it. It's slightly easier for me because I've got more than one block. If you've only got one, then you just chop and change. So I'm going to add different stamps to different blocks. I want that one. I think I'm going to have this spiky one as well. I think that's cute. I'll have that. What else shall I have? I'll have this little one here is cute. I'll put that on a little block. And what else shall I have? Shall I have some leaves? Yeah, I might just have some leaves. I'll put some leaves on there in case I decide I'm using those. And I think I'm going to have just these little dotty bits. For want of a better word. I'll just bob them up there. Right, so I've got a selection of inks. I don't really worry too much about colours. Just use what you've got. Even if they clash, it doesn't matter really. Okay, so I'm going to have Balmy Blue first. And I'll just pick a flower, and I think I'm going to have this spiky one. Oh, that's cute. And I'm just going to stamp a few. Like that, and then I'll change colours. I'll have, let's have some Flirty Flamingo. Flirty Flamingo with this flower here. Oh, that's pretty. So I'm just, oh, that's lovely. Adding that randomly, like so. How cute is that? So I think I'm going to have another blue one there. And this is where you just play with it, and if you decide you want an extra one, get your ink back out and add an extra one till you're happy. I'm going to have it stamped just off the card like that, and then I'm going to have one coming off the corner here like that. And you like building yourself a picture. It's awesome fun way to stamp. I love it. And that one there, and up there, and I'm just building that pattern around my sentiment. And now I'm going to add some of the little flowers and some of the leaves. It's also a very quick way of making a card. It's unbelievably quick. So I think I'll add a couple of leaves. So let me have a look. I've opened my soft sea foam, which should be nice and pale. I don't want them leaves to be overbearing. I'm just going to, I don't quite know where I'm going to have them, to be honest. I'm just going to have them dotting in and between the flowers, like that, going in a different direction each time. Have that one that way. Just go off the edge of my card, and you're just building up like, it's almost like making your own wallpaper. Your own background stamping. Brilliant. You know, some people never buy DSP, they just stamp their own. And I think it's a brilliant way of creating your own cards. There we go. Now you've got these little tiny ones. I did have petal pink out, but I don't know if I'm going to use it yet. Let me see if they've got room. Let's see where it's... Oh, that's cute, isn't it? Yes, I'll find room, because that's really cute. So that's just a little subtle, tiny flower that I'm just going to add. Just dotting about here and there. Just to build up my own little random... I don't normally do a random, but this is turning out quite nice. I normally have to have things really symmetrical and like in line and things. I think I'll just have one there. And I think that's really cute. And then we've got these little, I don't know what they are. I don't know if they're meant to be like part of the stamen or part of the, I don't know. Let's have a look. I might not add that yet. I don't know if that'll be too much if I add that. I think I'm going to leave it. I think I'm going to leave it there because I think you can overkill it, can't you? So I kept it simple, and I think that is really pretty. Now the only thing I do want to add is just one, I think maybe. Let's have a look of my... I love these sequins. I love them. I really like these iridescent ones, and these are part of the... Butterfly Gala Suite, and I'm just going to add, they're really cute, aren't they? I wonder if I could get away with adding those in the centre of that. Oh yeah, let's have those. Alright, it was simple stamping, now I've gone a bit mad. I'm adding sequins to the centre of just the blue flowers. Just the blue ones, not all of them, because I just think it's cute. And I want to. So it's a little bit stepped up is my simple stamping this week, but there you go. We've just added them little sequins. That's not difficult, is it? Beginners can do that. How lovely is that? I'm really impressed. So let me shut that ink pad and bring my card base in, and I'm just going to adhere it top and bottom with my snail. I might just add a little bit in the middle. Make sure I've got my card base open. Yeah, I don't want to add it on upside down. And then I'm just going to eyeball that and attach that carefully. And there we go. We've got a lovely, lovely card. I think that's really cute. I really like that. So get your little stamps out, mix and match your colours and make your own patterns. Awesome. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Have a fab weekend. Don't forget to check out this project and all of the projects that have, all of the products, not projects, that I've used will be listed on my blog at scrimpingmommy.co.uk. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.